so that what happened, body will move and move some distance and it will stop. It will stop. So for that there is some retardation. For that there is some retardation. So therefore final velocity will be how much? 0. Therefore final velocity will be 0. So acceleration is equal to then, so acceleration is equal to, it will be what? Minus a then, because acceleration, retardation is a, okay, retardation equal to a. So retarding force F is equal to mass into acceleration. Now initial velocity is equal to, generally we know it is u, but here we have taken it is v. Final velocity, it is generally denoted by v. Now it is 0. Yes, now it is 0. So therefore energy is work done into displacement, okay, that is retarding force. So therefore kinetic energy is equal to retarding force into displacement. Say displacement is taken S, after this much displacement, body is stopped, displacement. So retarding force is F into displacement is S. So force is equal to how much? This is K equal to equation 1. Now also we know this formula, V square equal to U square plus 2AS. We know V square equal to U square plus 2AS. But V is equal to 0, is equal to, here instead of U will put V, minus 2AS. So therefore S is equal to V square by 2A. 2A. Now F is equal to, already we have done what? M into A here. So therefore kinetic energy is equal to K equal to, in place of F we will put M into A, okay, into S, that is V square by 2A. A cancel. So therefore K equal to half mv square. K equal to half mv square. It means half into mass into velocity square. So kinetic energy is half mv square. Potential energy is mgh. You must go through your book. Everything is given, whatever I am teaching. If you will go through your book, again it will be same thing you will get, but you must line by line go through your book, that is concise physics. Next is relationship between kinetic energy and momentum. Relationship between kinetic energy and momentum. A body of mass small m moving with velocity say v, moving with velocity v. So then kinetic energy will be equal to half mv square, is it? And momentum is equal to m into v. Momentum is equal to m into v. So therefore here v is equal to how much? P by m, momentum by mass. So then k is equal to how much? Half m, that is p by m whole square, that is equal to half m into p square by m. This can be written as p square by 2m, or p square equal to 2mk. P square equal to 2mk. K is kinetic energy, P is momentum of the body. Therefore P is equal to root over 2mk. This is one relation. This is one relation between kinetic energy and momentum. Now other way, kinetic energy is equal to k equal to this one, you can write p square by 2. Okay, thank you very much. Now another, there is work energy theorem also will do, and transformation of energy, okay, conversion of energy, all this you will go through your book. Okay, thank you very much.